Sunday night. You know the feeling. A subtle tightness in your chest. A low-level dread that settles in your stomach as the weekend evaporates. You tell yourself it's just stress. You tell yourself you're lucky to have a job, that this is just what being an adult feels like. But your body knows the truth. That feeling isn't stress. It's your soul reacting to captivity. You have spent your entire life being programmed with a specific operating system. It started in school. Sit down. Be quiet. Raise your hand to speak. Don't question the lesson. Memorize the answer. Wait for the bell. This system wasn't designed to make you free. It was designed to make you an efficient, predictable component in a machine built by someone else. It is called the employee mindset. And if you are watching this, that mindset is currently killing your potential, one paycheck at a time. You trade 5 days of misery for 2 days of fleeting freedom. You trade your best energy for a corporate mission you don't believe in. You trade your prime years for a retirement that might never come. You are running a script that ends in mediocrity. But what if you could uninstall it? What if the difference between you and the wealthy elite isn't intelligence or luck or inheritance? What if it's not about working harder, but about thinking differently? What if it's simply a different operating system? We are going to perform a factory reset on your brain. We will break down the 3 fundamental shifts you must make to transition from a dependent employee to a sovereign individual capable of building a life on your own terms. This is not about quiet quitting or asking for a raise. This is about a total system overhaul. This is about killing the employee inside you so the sovereign can be born. Number 1. The economic shift. You must stop selling time and start selling value. This is the foundational move away from the default script society hands you. The employee mindset is obsessed with the rate. How much per hour? How much per year? You view your income as a linear function of how much you suffer. If you want more money, you think you must work more hours, take on more shifts, sacrifice more of your life. This is a trap because your time is finite. You cannot scale time. Therefore, your wealth is capped. You are playing a game you are mathematically guaranteed to lose, trading your one irreplaceable asset for a depreciating one. The sovereign mindset decouples time from money. It understands that income is not a reward for enduring pain. Look at the wealthy. They do not get paid for their time. They get paid for the magnitude of the problem they solve and the value they create. If you save a company $1 million in taxes, it doesn't matter if it took you 10 hours or 10 minutes. The value is $1 million. The sovereign charges for the result, not the effort. The outcome is the only metric that matters. How do you do this? You must move from being a laborer to being an owner. This doesn't necessarily mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means changing how you view your contribution and seeking leverage. Start building assets that work while you sleep. Code, content, capital, or distribution systems. The employee asks, how many hours do I have to work to buy this? The sovereign asks, what asset can I build that will pay for this? Stop renting out your life by the hour. Start building equity in your future. Shift number 2, the identity shift. From passive consumer to active producer. Look at your bank statement. It is a diary of your identity, a ledger of your life's focus. Does money mostly flow in, or does it mostly flow out? Are you a net contributor to the world's value, or a net drain on your own resources? The system is designed to keep you in a dopamine loop of consumption. You work hard at a job you hate, so you feel you deserve a treat. You buy the new phone, the car, the subscription services, the endless distractions. You consume the content created by others. You play the video games designed by others. You eat the food processed by others. You live the life scripted for you by others. You are a battery powering the matrix, and your reward is to be drained. The sovereign flips the polarity. The sovereign gets a dopamine hit not from consuming, but from creation, from building something out of nothing. When you see a problem, the employee complains. The sovereign builds a solution. When you see a trend, the employee follows it. The sovereign monetizes it. The employee seeks comfort. The sovereign seeks leverage. This shift is painful. It requires you to kill your addiction to entertainment. You have to embrace boredom, to sit with your own thoughts. In the silence of boredom, your own ideas are finally born. Ask yourself today, what did I produce? Did I write? Did I record? Did I code? Did I sell? Did I build? If the answer is no, you are just a spectator in your own life. Sovereigns are the players on the field. earning their freedom with every action. Everyone else is just watching from the stands, paying for the privilege. Shift number 3. This is the hardest one. The authority shift. From asking permission to taking action. The most damaging conditioning of the employee mindset is the permission reflex. You wait for a boss to give you a task. You wait for a university to give you a degree. You wait for society to tell you you are ready. You are waiting for a permission slip that is never coming. In the wild, nobody gives the lion permission to eat. He hunts. In the sovereign economy, nobody gives you permission to be wealthy. You take it. You create it. You must develop agency. Agency is the ability to look at the world, decide you want to change something, and then simply doing it without waiting for approval. Start a project. Launch the offer. Post the video. Reach out to the client. But what if I fail? Asks the employee. Then I will learn, answers the sovereign. The employee fears being wrong. The sovereign fears being stagnant. Stop looking for a mentor to save you. Stop looking for a boss to direct you. You are the CEO of your own existence. Act like it. These 3 shifts, time to value, consumer to producer, permission to power, are not just financial strategies. They are a spiritual restructuring of your place in the world. Killing the employee mindset is painful. It means taking extreme ownership of everything in your life. If you are broke, it is your fault. If you are unhappy, it is your fault. That is a heavy burden, but it is the only path to freedom. The cage door is open. It has been open the whole time. The only thing keeping you inside was the story you told yourself. Walk out. If this video sparked a shift in your mind, do not let the flame die. Like this video to signal to the algorithm that you are waking up. Subscribe to Sovereign Protocol for the blueprint to your escape. The shift starts now.